So today we will see next point in control statement, that is loops. In C language there are different three types of loop. First loop is while loop, then do while loop, and third one is for loop. There are total three types of loops in your control statement chapter. While loop is also called as entry type condition checking loop. Do while loop is also called as exit time condition checking loop, and for loop. Third one is for loop. So today we will see the syntax and examples on while loop. So start with while and its syntax. So what is the syntax of while loop and its flow? So keyword while, then parenthesis, inside the parenthesis there is a condition, after condition body of while loop. Clear? So this is the syntax for while loop. Now what is the flow? How this loop get executed? Whenever this condition is true, true means any non-zero value, any non-zero value, it means it is true, condition is true, and if condition is true, then entry to the while loop or runtime cursor goes to the body of while loop, execute whole body of while loop, again checks the condition, again checks the condition. If condition is again true, then entry to the body of while loop, that means body of while loop get executed, and after completion of while loop again checks the, that is runtime cursor checks the condition. If condition is false, if condition is false, then cursor goes out of that while loop. Okay, so it works like a loop. So it is a loop, while loop. So till condition is true, the body of loop get executed, and if the condition is false, at that time loop get terminated and cursor goes out of the body of while loop. Understood what is the flow of the loop? Okay, so condition, whenever condition is true means any non-zero value, and if condition's value is 0 means false, and if condition's value is 0 false, then loop get terminated and cursor goes out of this while loop. Understood? So what is the use of loop? So whatever may be the common statements, suppose we want to print hello 10 times, that is we want to display hello 10 times on the console. Clear? So there is one way, that use printf statement 10 times. Clear? It also displays hello 10 times on the console. But there is one control statement, that is while loop or loop. Using this loop we can print hello number of times on the console. That means what is the use of loop? That is whatever may be the common part or common body of the loop get executed how many times? Till the condition is true. If condition is false, then body does not get executed. So it depends on the condition. Clear? So condition is true, then body get executed, but when condition is false, then your cursor goes out of that body of for while loop. Understood the flow? So using, if you want to print hello 1000 times on the console, then you can write the code printf hello 1000 times. Okay, but it is time consuming. Instead of that, we can use any loop and solve that problem. Clear? Because we can display same message on how many times? Here 10 times, 1000 times, whatever may be. Only we can write the condition, as per that condition, that while loop executed only 10 times. And what is the body of while loop? Printf hello. Clear? So we can decide the condition. How many times that loop get executed? Only 10 times. So 10 times that hello get print on the console. So we can write the code of that problem statement. So what is the problem statement? Write a C program to print hello 10 times on the console using while loop. That means here is a console part, print hello, next line print hello, how many times? 10 times on the console. So this is the output screen. As per that we can write the code. But what is the condition? Use while loop. So start our program from including the header files, that is hash include stdio.h. Next header file is hash include conio.h. Clear? Next part, start our program from void main function. Next, variable declaration. First statement is variable declaration or variable initialization. Next, after that, clear screen. Means you can clear first console. Whatever may be the output, previous output on the console, that get cleared by which statement? Clear screen. And definition of this clear screen function is written into conio.h header file. Okay. Next. Now, what we write? We write only hello message on the console. Each hello message is get printed on the next line on the console. Clear? That means we want to print hello, that is printf double quotes hello slash n. That means cursor goes to next line, new line. Slash n means next line or new line. Print hello on the console and console goes to the next line. So 10 times means same printf statement we can repeat 10 times. Then same output will be displayed on the console. But if it is 1000 times, then same statement we can write 1000 times, but it is time consuming. Okay, so use while loop. We know whenever the condition is true, the body of while loop get executed. So inside the while loop, while, what is the syntax? While, then condition, then curly bracket, and then body of while loop. So make the provision. While loop, condition, we will decide the condition. Then what is the body? Printf hello 10 times on the console. So message is printf hello slash n. Next, now decide the condition. How many times we want to display hello? 10 times. Clear? So take one variable, integer I. Take initialize I is equal to 1. What is the initial value of I variable? 1. So compare this I less than equal to which value? 10. Because we want to print hello 10 times. So here 10. Now first print hello on the console. Next, what is the next thing? Increment this I variable, because we want to terminate this loop when hello printed on the console 10 times. After that, automatically this loop get terminated. That means condition is false. So when condition is false, so increment I each time by 1. That is I is equal to I plus 1. Clear? Now check the flow of this problem statement. So program executes from main, then I is equal to 1. For that, memory management is there. For I variable 2 bytes are reserved and initial value is 1. It is done on the which partition? Stack partition of your RAM. Okay, this is RAM, random access memory. Next thing, what is the next thing? Clear screen. So whatever may be the previous output on the console, that get cleared. Next statement is executed, that while. So first cursor goes to the conditional part. So check the condition. What is the condition? I less than equal to 10. So what is the current value of I? 1. So 1 less than equal to 10. That means condition is true. True means 1. Means entry into the body of while loop. So first statement in the body of while loop. What is the statement? Printf hello slash n. Means first hello get printed and cursor goes to the next line because slash n is there. Next, I is equal to I plus 1. Means what is the current value of I? 1 plus 1 means 2, and this value is assigned to variable I. So current value of I now becomes 2. Next, curly bracket end. While loops curly bracket get ends. So again checks the condition. Now, what is the value of I? Now value of I becomes 2. So 2 less than equal to 10. Condition true. Means entry to the body of while loop. Then print hello. So second time hello get print on the console, cursor goes to the next line because slash n is there. Next, I is equal to I plus 1. So what is the current value of I? 2. 2 plus 1. Now I becomes 3. So it reflects value of I on the RAM. Then again I less than equal to 10. Condition true. Again condition true. Then again hello get print on the console. Now this loop continues 10 times. Okay, hello get printed at the 11th iteration. This is if 11th iteration means or 10th iteration hello get printed on the console. That means this is 10 hello get printed. Then at that time value of I becomes 10. 10 plus 1. Now I becomes 11. Now again condition check. 11 less than equal to 10. Condition false. And loop get terminated. That means cursor goes out of this while loop. So cursor goes to next line. And what is the statement on the next line? Get ch to freeze the console. Get ch and curly bracket of main function get completed. Understood? This is the flow. Means you can write the condition, but condition is like that. When that condition is terminated, that code is also right inside the body of while loop. So what is the condition? I less than equal to 10. What is the current value of I? 1. So this loop, this condition is true till what value of I is 10. If value of I is 10, 10 less than equal to 10, yes, condition true because there is equal to sign. So condition is true. But when value of I becomes 11, the condition is false. Means termination of the loop and cursor goes to the out of this while loop and goes to get ch statement, means freezing the console, and you got the output that 10 times hello printed on the console. Okay, so today we will stop.